Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ivy Nganga, and if this is your first time on my channel, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a classic gold smoky eye. It's very easy. I think it's actually pretty good for beginners. It's not a complicated look. So if you would like to see how I achieved this look, please continue watching the video. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that every single time I post, you're the first person to be notified. So without even talking too much, let's go on right ahead and watch the video. I'm starting with priming my eyes and I'm using concealer. This is the Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Tan. Then I'm just blending that out using an eyeshadow brush. That's a round buffing eyeshadow brush. I'm now setting the concealer using some powder just so that it doesn't crease. This also helps with making sure your eyeshadow lasts longer. I'm starting with that orange color, 10% off, and I'm using this as a transition color. Now a transition color is necessary because it just allows your eyeshadow to look well blended, and it just gives it that seamless look as you go on ahead and add the other colors. Next color I'm going in with is Benny, which is that dark brown color, and I'm going to be using this for my outer crease. And for this particular color, you have to take your time. Just take your time with blending. Make sure that it blends in properly with your transition shade before you go in with your next color. The next color I'm going to use is Wig. That's the gold shimmer color that I'm going to be using for my inner crease, and I'm starting out using my finger just for more pigment before I go in with a brush for a bit more precision. I did forget to add concealer for more pigment, but the good thing about this particular eyeshadow palette, it's quite pigmented, so I feel like I was still able to achieve the look I was going for. I'm now smoking out my lower waterline using the dark brown color Benny that I had used for my outer crease, and then I used 10% off, which is that orange color, to blend it out. The last thing I like to do is eyeliner. I've always loved to add black eyeliner on my lower waterline, so I'm using this Maybelline one to do just that. I'm going to add a bit of mascara to my normal lashes before I go in with the fake lashes. I normally feel like this allows them to blend in together properly, so it's something that I have started doing, even though you can also skip it. Now that the eyes are done, I'm going to move on to my face, and I'm priming my face using the Maybelline Pore Minimizing Primer, and I'm blending that out using my finger before I go in with my foundation. That is the Revlon Colorstay foundation in the shade Caramel. I'm going to be using that sponge to blend out my foundation because I have found that when I use a sponge, my foundation is more flawless, and it does also smooth out my texture because my skin is a bit textured. I'm now going to conceal the under eye, and I'm using that Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Tan. I did go in with quite a bit of product because I wanted that full coverage look. I left the concealer on my face for at least 3 minutes before I blended it out for better coverage. I'm now going to set the concealer using my black Opal translucent powder. This ensures that everything stays in place and your concealer and your foundation don't crease during the day, and it also doesn't, become oily or shiny. I'm now going to contour, and I'm using my Pro Concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze. I'm going to leave this on for a few minutes as well before I blend it out. Next up is bronzer, and I'm going in between those two shades. That's 10% off and Cool Beans to bronze my face. The last thing is highlighter, and I'm using that gold shimmer shade from my Blush Neutrals palette to highlight. I love using that gold shimmer because I feel like, you know, it works pretty well for my skin tone and it just goes pretty well with this particular look. Moving on to the lips, I'm going to be using my Colourpop lipstick in the shade Creeper. This is just a bright red color and I love this color so much. I feel like it goes pretty well with this look. So this is exactly what I needed to finish up this look. So I've just done my hair and put on some earrings and a different shirt, and this is the final look. How amazing does it look? My skin is a bit textured and I just need to work on that. I'm still working on that, but overall I love this look. I just feel like it came together so well. I hope that you guys will be trying it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, to comment, to share, and of course subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.